everybody, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a new princess. Now let's look at the picture. We can see head, hair, crown, dress, arms and legs. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, crown, dress, arms and legs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here at the top of the paper and draw a big circle. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Now let's draw a hair. I draw a curve over here on the right side in the circle, on the top of the circle. Then let's draw another curve. I start over here and draw to the down. Then let's add another curve over here. Now let's draw her eyes. Draw two circles inside the head, the first and the second. Then let's draw another small circles inside, the first and the second. That's right, keep on trying. Let's add lashes, 3 short strokes at the left side and the same thing on the right side. 1, 2, 3. Small backward C shape for nose and U shape for smile. Now let's draw the crown. I draw 2 vertical lines. I draw 2 diagonal lines, then connect with curve. Then let's draw upside down V shape in the middle over here. Then at the end on the right side, on the left side, then 2 upside down V shape between these V shapes over here and on the right side. Now let's draw 2 vertical lines for neck, then horizontal line for shoulder. That's the way, I like your line. 2 vertical lines on each side and connect with 2 curves, the first and the second. Then let's draw diagonal line to the left, to the right and connect them. Then 2 diagonal lines on the each side and connect them with wavy line. Now let's draw sleeves. Diagonal line over here on the left side and on the right side, then C shape to the dress on the left side and on the right side. That's the way, you're doing great. Now let's add her arms. 2 short diagonal lines on the left side, long curve and small curve for hand, and let's add 2 small curves over here for fingers on the left side, and let's draw the same lines, the same arm on the right side. 2 small diagonal lines, then long curve and short curve, and 2 curves for fingers. Then let's draw 2 curves over here, the first and the second, V shape under the neck, diagonal line over here under the shoulder, on the left side and on the right side. Now it's time for her legs. Draw 2 vertical lines, then connect them with curve on the left side and the same thing on the right side. Now let's finish her hair. Draw a curve on the right side. I start over here near the crown and draw curve to the sleeve on the right side. And let's draw the same step on the left side. Our princess is almost ready. Let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. Now let's color it. I choose brown for her hair. You can choose any color you like. The first step is tracing, then coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. I choose pink for her blush and draw small circles under the eyes, on the right side and on the left side. My dress will be violet. I choose dark violet, tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose yellow for this part of dress, this, and draw horizontal lines in the shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I choose light purple for this part of dress. And 4 shoes. Tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose yellow again for crown. Blue for eyes and tracing around this black circle on the left side and on the right side. Beige for skin. You can choose any color you like. Then I choose acrylic markers for dress and add a dot, some yellow dots, then some blue dots. Wow, what a wonderful princess! I like your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. Bye bye!